showing my unicorns. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we will be doing is showing my unicorn things.
Okay. Did you show your t-shirt?
So this is my unicorn t-shirt.
Yeah.
So the next is we will be opening this one. Is make slime. Blue unicorn oozing slimy fears. There we go. So let's open it. Ito na pala open na. Ito yung dot. Yes. Wala lang. Pwedeng Tagalog, pwedeng English. Pwedeng lahat. So this is the katana, and this is the inside. We have some paint, 3 paints. We have green,
Green yan?
green, blue, pink. So we have some little scoopy scoop. Mga scoopy or pang ball. Oh yeah, pang ball. What's the... Ew. Okay. So we have... What is this? What? Bus. Ace. So we have some glitter. It's color pink. Activator.
Yan.
2
Okay.
activator. So we have some 2 little spoons. This is a stick spoon and a plastic spoon. Wooden stick. And what is this? Is this subtraction? Hindi ko gets. Before, wala lang.
Go.
Bago mag-start, show the unicorns. Diba?
Oo.
Diba? Pero, first, put this in here, pero muna. Kasi makalat.
Okay, go.
So, the next unicorn is, my shoes. So, this is my shoes. It's changing color. It's just a silver color. See? And yeah. So, yeah. So, the next one is my bottle. It's unicorn bottle. So cute. So, the next one is... So, this is my brush. I put some sticker. Just a little bottle sticker. So, I have some ribbon here. Pink ribbon. And some unicorn. Hi. So, we have some little clips here. Unicorn. So, this is the unicorn little clip. So this is the other one little clip. Actually, she's in jacket. And I have this one too. And other one, this little rainbow Barbie. And then. And the next one is my ribbons. So I have this one is unicorn ribbon and have some horn. It's my favorite. And there's a little, so this is my little favorite little one. There's a little unicorn here. So cute. So I have some unicorn that is lighting but it's dirty and there's no battery actually. So yeah. So the next one is my pencil. Actually, bright. Ooh. And I have this little pencil unicorn. It says unicorn are real. Yeah, unicorns pala. Unicorns are real. So this is the pen, and actually you can just like a fan. Okay, done. Okay, the next one, I have this little unicorn diary. There's a little bookmark and for you can close it. So this is the inside. First one. Oh, secret. Just one secret. That is secret. So the next one is the Louis Vuitton. It's super big. There's a smell, actually. And let's open it. So this is the inside. So this is the inside. But we use the... So this is the inside. I have this little little keychain. And this is the slimes. This is not the slimes. And this is my slime turns to poopy. Turns to like a real poopy. Open it. Let's try it. Ew. Look at it. Ew. Now that is the bottle. It's inside. We use this. There's a little dirt. Smells so good. Smell it. So we have some So we have a little unicorn spatula, and we have some little cup with a little drop here. There it is.
Okay.
Where is dark? So we have some little things here. We have some unicorn magic, and we have some unicorn sparkles. So yeah, and we have some little subtractions here. Subtractions, I don't know what it is. Subtraction. So this is the subtraction.
Instruction.
I know. So this is subtraction. So this is the inside. Hey, wait. That's just I think that is just nah. Whatever. We have some separate for making some slime. Separate video. Yeah, I forgot the video. So I have some little scents here. There's a little smell like bad here. Ew. Smell like dead little insect. And so we have some little purple little bear. Actually, it's no more. And this one too. There's a little bit of this little bear. Actually, it's open. So we have some different kinds of bottles. And this one too. There we go. So these are the bottles. We use these ones. These two. And this. Mamaya lang yung mga slime dito. Hey! Okay, done this one. Oh no! I forgot this! Oh well. So guys, we have some warm water. So this is the color. Let's open it. Oh wait, I don't know. Face powder. So that is the wood. Yeah. How to open it? Where's the color? I gotta go mix it in the color and make it like a ball and turn to slime.
Oh.
So guys, let's add this little base. How many?
All of it.
All of it? Let's mix it. Kellogg's little cereal unicorn. The unicorn. And actually, there's a little drawing here. Is that drawing or whatever? So that is it. Oh, so we have this little unicorn. This is just a little character. So she has some necklace. Can you remove it? Her name is Twilight Sparkle, is the character. So she's little big eyes. Look, this little big eyes. And actually, this is his necklace. It's her necklace. It's unicorn too. Actually, it's Barbie, but it's cute. So, this is not, there's no actually character. She name is Hearty because she has some heart here in his little beautiful eyes. And she has some little beautiful hair. Actually, his hair is pink, purple, and blue. Actually, his tail too.
Her.
His, her little tail. Tail. We have some little unicorn bag. Actually, is if there's a little sun, there's a color. There's a color. See. So actually, this is my little bag. So yeah, guys. The next. Oh, I forgot this little unicorn. So, ow. So we have this little unicorn. And there's a little blue stick. And his little hair is rainbow. Why there's a tip there? Little hair rainbow. Actually, I love it. And this is his eyes. So cute. And his horn. There we go. So the last is unicorn bag. Actually, it's the unicorn bag. So actually, my teeth is growing. Actually, she removed along here.
Hindi nagpo-focus. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Comment down below. If you want to watch this video, just press the notification button. And yeah, bye. Yeah, bye.